Mistplay units and Cash Giraffe coins both look like simple in-app currencies, but they don't convert into real money the same way because each app ties value to different game reward systems. By the end, you'll understand how each currency is earned, what affects how fast it builds up, and why one system usually feels slower or faster depending on how you play games. Mistplay uses units as its main reward currency. You earn units by playing selected mobile games, and those units accumulate based on time spent and in-game progression inside each game. Cash Giraffe uses coins as its reward currency. You earn coins by installing and playing featured games, with rewards mainly tied to how long you keep playing and which offers are active. Mistplay units are more structured. The app tracks your progress inside each game more closely, so your unit earnings depend on both time played and how far you progress in that specific game. Cash Giraffe coins are more flexible. You can switch between games more freely, and your coin earnings depend more on continuous gameplay across different offers, rather than deep progression in one game. Mistplay units tend to feel more stable because the system is built around consistent progression tracking. Once you understand how a game rewards units, your earning pattern becomes more predictable inside that game. Cash Giraffe coins tend to feel more variable because game offers rotate more often. That means your earning speed can change depending on which games are currently available. Mistplay is better if you prefer building progress in fewer games over longer sessions. Your units grow as you stay inside a single game's reward structure, instead of constantly switching. Cash Giraffe is better if you prefer rotating between games and keeping things simple. You don't need to focus on deep progression systems, just consistent play across multiple offers. Another key difference is how effort is distributed. Mistplay requires more attention to staying within games that still reward progression. Cash Giraffe spreads effort across more frequent game switching. Time investment also differs. Mistplay rewards longer focused gameplay sessions. Cash Giraffe rewards shorter bursts spread across multiple games. Risk is not financial in either system, but both depend heavily on game availability, which means your earning speed can change without warning if offers rotate or expire. Quick summary. Mistplay units are tied to structured game progression with steadier accumulation. Cash Giraffe coins are tied to flexible gameplay across rotating offers with more variable speed. If you want predictable progress inside fewer games, Mistplay units feel more stable. If you want flexible switching between games, Cash Giraffe coins are easier to earn casually. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns like this.